So this is the last comparison in this video, the GoPro Hero 11 and the A7 III. Does this comparison even need to be made? I don't think so, but we're gonna do it anyway, just to complete this. So this is the ZV-1F that I've been filming on. I actually like this better than the ZV-1 or the ZV-1 Mark II, just because the lens doesn't zoom in and out. It's a flat pancake lens and you can fit it in your pocket better. And also, like, I wish it was totally flush with this, so it was a really tiny camera and there was even no grip here, so it was just extremely pocketable. But this is better than having a lens that zooms in and out, because it's so easy to break a ZV-1 or a ZV-1 Mark II. But this thing, you can just take it with you, not worry about it. It's super cheap, so you just don't have to worry about it. Great vlogging camera. So what do you guys think? GoPro versus A7 III? Obviously, we've got a full frame camera, way more expensive, better quality, blurry background if you get close enough. And then we've got an action camera. So what actually makes the skin look better though? What actually makes me look more easy on the eyes, you know? Because that's important for YouTube videos, because you don't want to look at something that's just like damaging your eyes, you know? These horrible wrinkles. Sometimes with the full frame, I can look pretty bad. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Scroll through my channel, check out all my other videos, check out all the videos about these three being compared. And yeah, hit that subscribe button because I got a lot more videos to come. Thanks for watching.